Start with the name of Allah. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be saying goodbye to Midjourney and introducing you to 4 alternative image generator tools. I know that Midjourney is a very popular tool, but it has been very difficult to get access to it recently. So, I thought I would share some other options with you. Let's begin the video. I am Fardeen Ansari, your graphics design mentor. First is Adobe Firefly. Firefly is an artificial intelligence system for generating images from scratch that has been created by Adobe. This means that it will be integrated into Adobe's tools and will coexist with Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, as well as the rest of the Adobe suite. However, it will also be accessed as an independent website, following access being granted by Adobe. It works like the rest of the artificial intelligence systems. It has been trained to generate images based on the description of what you want to see. The result will depend on the accuracy of this description, although in the case of Firefly, there's much more. Second is ClipDrop. ClipDrop is a web-based AI art generator that's easy to use. Simply upload an image or video and ClipDrop will generate AI art based on your upload. You can also choose from a variety of pre-made styles and templates. You can resize the image, regenerate the image, etc. Third is Leonardo AI. Unlock the boundless potential of your creativity by harnessing the remarkable capabilities of Leonardo AI. With this cutting-edge technology, you can effortlessly generate high-quality visual assets for your projects, boasting unparalleled speed and unwavering style consistency. Elevate your artistic endeavors and bring your ideas to life with ease and precision, all thanks to the innovation of Leonardo AI. Fourth is Playground. Playground AI is a free-to-use online AI image creator that allows users to create realistic images from text descriptions. It uses a variety of AI techniques, including diffusion models and generative adversarial networks, to produce high-quality images. These are just a few of the many alternatives to Midjourney. With so many options to choose from, you're sure to find an AI art generator that's perfect for you. I hope this video has been helpful in introducing you to 4 alternatives to Midjourney. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.